In this video, I simply want to demonstrate to you what happens if you connect two iPads together using a USB cable. Over here we have the iPad Air 5th generation, and here we have the newer iPad Air 6th generation. I'll use this USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. This one is made by Apple. It came with my MacBook. So let's try this. I'll connect one here and the other one, over there. So what happened? Well, the only thing that will happen if you do this is that one iPad will be able to charge the other one. If we look closely here, this one has 80% battery. It's not charging. But since we connected to this other iPad that is at 57% battery, it's now charging, because the one with the higher battery percentage will automatically charge the one that has a lower battery percentage. So that's all. You won't be able to transfer any files. You won't be able to use them together like one giant iPad, unfortunately. The only thing really that you can do, at least that I know, is charging one another. If you know how to do other things, if you connect iPads using USB cables, please leave a comment down below. I'll be very curious. If not, like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.